Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and the person you are dealing with. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the sides according to your story. So let's get started, Capricorns. Let's see what's there on your side. Okay, so you have the Two of Wands on your side. Let's see what's there on your person's side. The Knight of Pentacles. And the most likely outcome, the Four of Cups. Okay. So with the Two of Wands, you are waiting for something for some reason. Okay. So either you have two options or you are not able to make up your mind. So there is something over here. That is why you are waiting, or you are actually waiting for a decision from the other person. Can be that also. Here with the Knight of Pentacles, there is somebody here who has love, but they are taking it very slow. And here is the outcome with the Four of Cups. Somebody isn't interested anymore in anything. So let's see what is there behind the cards to get more information. So why is this Two of Wands involved? Okay, so we have the Seven of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Let's see what is Knight of Pentacles here for on your person's side. The Fool, the Eight of Wands, the Nine of Cups. Okay. Let's see why is this Four of Cups here for as the outcome. Okay, so we have the Hermit, the Nine of Swords. Okay, let them come. The Five of Pentacles and the Five of Swords. What is this? I'll be taking more cards if I feel like. Anyway, let's start off first. So here somebody is waiting for a new beginning then. Somebody is making ready for a new beginning, being indecisive, choosing whatever as I've already told you. Okay, or making for a waiting for a decision to come in from their side. That's what I said. So here we have, for the Two of Wands, we have the Seven of Pentacles, the King of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. What I see here is this person, you have really worked hard on yourself. That's what I'm getting. You have really worked hard on yourself to build yourself up. You've had a very tough past, or a tough life, or like fighter type of a life. You have enough bruises and those things from the past, and that is why you've really nourished yourself. That's what I'm getting. You have nourished yourself. You have worked hard to build up the foundation for yourself, build a life for yourself. Basically, that's what I'm getting. You have really worked hard to build a life for yourself. It's like you've started from the roots and now you are in a pretty good position. So you've struggled a lot to build a life for yourself, maybe from a scratch. Maybe there was a time when you were actually financially poor, or financially not that good, if not poor, and you have really built up your finances and stability, and you've struggled a lot. Okay, So perhaps that is the reason that you are being indecisive as for now, and not making a move, and just waiting for the right opportunity or the right person or your ships to come in, whatever. It can be that also. So here we have, on your person's side, we had the Knight of Pentacles with the Fool, the Eight of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. So I just see this person as taking a leap of faith for a new beginning. A lot of communication is there, to and forth. But something has happened which has just spoilt everything. That's what I'm getting. It's just slipped off. Lost the balance, basically. It has lost the balance. I think maybe something has happened in this communication itself which has put things off the balance, actually. Maybe some fireworks in the heated argument, some communication has heated up perhaps, so things have lost the balance. That's what I'm getting here. And because here as the outcome we have the Four of Cups, nobody's interested, somebody's not interested. And again, as the clarifiers also, though I took four, and it's the Hermit, the Nine of Swords, the Five of Pentacles, and the Five of Swords. So I don't think it's working out. Somebody here with the Hermit is really not interested. They want their own time. They want to spend some time alone. Really not interested now. Or they weren't at all, perhaps. Not that much, because this person perhaps was not ready for a relationship. Can be that also. And that is why something happened. And here somebody is really not interested, and they want to have the time alone. Okay, can be you, can be them, can be both of you, because here I have the Nine of Swords, Five of Pentacles, and the Five of Swords. So somebody here is very, very upset, crying, spending time alone, devastated, totally closed off, shut down, totally shut down, broken, not able to move forward in life. And here I think it's coming off as both of you, perhaps even both of you. I think this person is not ready for the relationship. That's what I feel. Because they have had a tough past. They have achieved a lot in life by a lot of struggle. So maybe you were talking to each other, still not into the relationship as such, because here the Knight of Pentacles, the love was there, but very, very slow. So, but in that communication itself, things have lost the balance, and everything is lost. That's what I'm getting. This relationship, I don't see it coming to fruition, or at least for now. At least for now. Maybe it has something good future, but not for now. Let's see what is the message from the universe. Like attracts like. If you long for more love, be more loving. Number 2 may be of some significance for you. So anyway, it is talking about being in touch with your inner child. Just see the way she is seeing her younger self. Being in touch with your inner self, being in touch, it talks about being in touch with your inner self or the younger self, being in touch with that innocence, that childlike thing. So basically it is all about being bruised. Okay, this person is bruised, they have struggled very hard. Perhaps this person also needs to be in touch. They've matured very fast, perhaps. They have done things on their own, matured very fast, and they need to get in touch with their inner self, be in that childlike energy before they are ready for anything else. Okay, this person doesn't seem to be interested or open to a relationship as for now. Maybe they are talking to you, but it doesn't, this too much of talking, perhaps it was too much of talking. Okay, it should have been slow then, perhaps. It has, even if there was not too much of talking, but still something has just gone off balance and just it's lost its energetic future, at least I can say that. So Capricorns, that's all I have for you, and hope it helps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Bye.